Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Pinterest. Linking these two powerful platforms can significantly enhance your online shopping and selling experience. We'll walk through each step, ensuring a smooth and secure connection between your accounts. This integration allows for seamless transactions, making it easier to buy products you discover on Pinterest and manage your payments efficiently. Get ready to streamline your digital commerce with just a few simple clicks. To begin, you'll need to log into your Pinterest account. Whether you're using a desktop computer or the mobile application, the process is quite straightforward. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select the Settings option. This will take you to your account preferences, where you can manage various aspects of your Pinterest experience and prepare for the PayPal connection. Now that you're in your Pinterest settings, look for a section dedicated to payments, business settings, or connected accounts. The exact wording might vary slightly, but the purpose remains the same. Within this section, you should find an option to connect a payment method or specifically link your PayPal account. Clicking this will securely redirect you to the PayPal website. Follow the on-screen instructions to log into your PayPal account and authorize the connection. This step ensures your financial information remains protected. Once you've authorized the connection on PayPal's secure site, you will be automatically redirected back to Pinterest. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your PayPal account is now successfully linked. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your accounts. This integration means you can now enjoy a more streamlined and secure shopping experience on Pinterest, making purchases and managing transactions much simpler. It's a convenient way to enhance your interaction with the platform's vast array of products and services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.